Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to check Snapchat activity log. We start by entering our Snapchat profile. After that, click on the settings icon. Here we move to the My Data option and click on it. Next, we are going to select the information that we want to be included in the download file and click Next. Now, we select the time range from where we want the information to appear and click on Submit. Finally, the backup copy will begin to be created where the chosen information will be included, and once prepared, we can download it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.